Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I sell them my devotion and show them my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, the steadiest of places, a better one I saw. I said,
reminiscing the good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? Been wondering what truly matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please? Life's all about balance, and real love takes practice. We know accidents happen, but my love's on purpose.